Hey everyone, welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today I'm going to show you a one movement full body workout. Begin by sitting on your mat, nice and tall, root through the sit bones, lengthen the legs, flex the ankles, relax the shoulders away from your ears. Bring your fingers to your shoulders for shoulder roll. Inhale, bring the elbows up. Back of the hands touch. Exhale, draw the elbows forward to touch and continue in this circular motion. Synchronize your movement with your breath as we're warming up the shoulder joints. And press your neck against your hands to engage the neck and keep the chin tucked. We're working on the shoulder mobility. 3 more rounds here. Circle the elbows forward. Next, bring the elbows to touch in front of your chest. Inhale, lift the elbows up, and exhale, lower down to your sides. Next, breath in, bring the hands to touch behind your neck. Tuck your chin, press your neck back. Long exhale, press your elbows back. Press into your lower spine as you're drawing the elbows back and down and forward. A full cycle of breath here to reset. You started to feel the lower body get engaged. Let's continue. Inhale. Next, lengthen, elbows up. Deep and slow exhale. Open the chest as you circle the elbows back, down, and forward. Engage your core and imprint your legs into the mat. Do you notice the full body engagement? Reset here. I will change my angle a bit. Keep the legs super straight and press the knees into the mat. Press down the back of your heels. Lift the elbows up. Breath in. Slow exhale. Press the elbows back. Keep the core tucked as you're rotating your elbows very slowly forward. And notice how hard your legs are working. Reset here, and we will do 4 more sets. Inhale, tuck your chin, press your neck against your hands. Exhale, press your elbows back. Feel your breath descending down your spine. Energy travels through your legs. You see, as we're pressing the elbows back, the energy generated from the upper body radiates down towards the glutes, then it travels through the legs. Notice if your knees trying to pop up off the mat, and try not to lose the integrity of the core and keep the knees in place. At the same time, think of pressing the heels into your mat. It's as if we are hiking down a slope. Our quads begin to burn. 1 more reset. Only 2 more times. You can do this. Lift the elbows up. Keep the integrity of your core. And long exhale. Use your breath to power through the motion. Last one. Hang in there with me. Inhale, elbows lift. Exhale, slow motion, rotating the elbows thoroughly. Goes as far back as you can, then begin forward and reach the arms up. Release the arms down. Bend the knees. A few rounds of cat-cow to finish up this quick but not so easy one movement full body workout. Round into your spine as you exhale and press the chest forward as you inhale. Feel your neck, your shoulders, your spine, hips, your legs, your arms. Notice your whole body feels relaxed, yet energized. Feels wonderful. And last one. And come to a comfortable seat. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please give a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. And see you soon.